Welcome to Bluebirding. Today we're looking at something pretty exciting, our first AI-powered feature, enhancing your listing's title and description with the tap of a button. Head into hosting mode, open an existing listing, and navigate to the name screen. Your current title and description are already there waiting for you. Now here's where the magic happens. See the Enhance with AI button at the bottom? Tap it. In seconds, our AI agent analyzes your property and comes back with a set of polished, tailored suggestions built specifically around what you're offering. Each suggestion is a complete title and description pairing, crafted together so they work perfectly as a team. No templates, no guesswork. Just smart, compelling copy that's ready to go. Pick the one that feels right, and both fields update instantly. One tap. Done. When you're happy, tap Next or Save and Exit, and your AI enhanced listing is saved. That's Enhance with AI on Bluebirding, and honestly, this is just the start. We're building more AI-powered tools for both hosts and visitors, and we can't wait to show you what's coming. Thanks for watching, and happy Bluebirding!